How to contact Walmart Spark support. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Walmart Spark support. Now in the interface that you will be led to, you will see a bunch of options related to Walmart support. Simply scroll down and you will see the option for Contact Us Customer Spark Community by Walmart. So tap on the link you see there, that is customersparkcommunity.walmart.com. Now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see a bunch of options related. So go ahead and fill in the information required, that is your email, your issue type, your details, and then drop the file or attach your file and then tap on the submit button you see there. And with this, Walmart Customer Spark team will contact you and respond to your query accordingly. Or you can also simply scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Contact Us. Tap on the Contact Us option you see there and you might be able to view the phone number that you can use to directly call Walmart Customer Spark. So this was about how you can contact Walmart Customer Spark. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.